Happy holidays, everybody. Let's make a quick strawberry and banana overnight oats to really get that holiday spirit and that sweetness going. So start by adding some quick oats and 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Chocolate. I love chocolate, and this is gonna really make your morning. And then here we have some chia seeds. Now let's add in some milk. This nice and complete wholesome breakfast will really keep you company on those winter cozy mornings. Then some Greek yogurt will really help to thicken up the oats along with the chia seeds. And that's some beautiful honey. Let's drizzle a tablespoon or so right on to our bowl. Now just give it a quick mix, bring it all together, and then we're going to transfer all of this into our mason jar. If you don't have a mason jar, don't worry too much. You can add overnight oats into a bowl and then just cover it with saran wrap. It'll do the same thing. A mason jar is just for display and presentation purposes. Perfect. Let's